Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a circuit analyzer and surge guard for I got a 50 amp for like a car plug adapter here. So I'll show you guys what this one is here, and we'll open it up. This is going to take some ripping it open to get it out. And oops. And this is what it looks like here. So it looks like a big hefty piece of equipment. Here's a little lock so you can lock it on if you wanted to. But then we will unplug this. And so there, and that's unplugged. And now I will plug this one into it. And then I can plug this into here. We're a tight fit right here at the moment. I don't think we're gonna be able to make it. Let me show you with a different one here, one sec. Just because that one's mounted to the wall, we're gonna try it with this one instead. Let's see what we got here. So here we are. We have a Tesla adapter here. I'm gonna have to move that over, but you get the idea here. So I'm gonna plug it in with this one, and we'll see how wired it in it goes. So there, and you can see it's got the 3 lights on, which means power on, and everything's good. I don't know if you can come closer. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. But you can see it says surge protection's on, and then we have the 3 wires, which mean it's all wired correctly. If it had been different combination, it would be wired differently. But here we are, and we have our connection here to our 40 amp. We're gonna get through there, so we are good. So I like this. This is a nice little surge guard. I'll probably set this up, move this down a little bit so it'll fit in a little better, but you get the idea. Thumbs up.